Hi everyone, I'm glad you dropped in. This is Gagajoy's Kitchen again, and today we're going to be making Appalachian chicken and dumplings. The reason I call them that is because it is a family recipe, except for a few things that I make it a little bit easier on myself. My granddaughter's here and she's sick, and her favorite food is chicken and dumplings. So that's what a Gaga's duty is to fix her granddaughter chicken and dumplings. Before you got here today, I went ahead and put my chicken on. I always wash my chicken before I put it in the pot. And I always cook my chicken in chicken broth. That's just a given because it just gives a really good flavor. And the only thing I put in was just salt and pepper. Now I'm going to take it out. It's cooled down a little bit so I can handle it. And also, I always love to put celery with my chicken. It just gives it such a good flavor, and it's just sort of something I do regularly all the time. Now I'm gonna cut my chicken broth back on, and here's what my chicken and dumplings are so easy, yet they're so creamy. They have so much flavor to them. They really are easy. You could come home and make them for your children of the evenings. So you're going to have to give these a try. Now I'm going to put a can of cream of chicken soup, Campbell's. You don't have to have big Campbell's. You can get any brand you want to. It just gives it that rich flavor and that rich color. Into this, I'm going to put white pepper, because you know when you're cooking something that's white and see pepper spread all the way through it, it's not always that good of thing. And white pepper, you can't see it, but it's still got that good flavor. And get it started to boiling. I guess growing up, chicken and pork were our main meats because we lived on a farm, and the chickens were plentiful. Okay, I'm gonna let that get a little warm, and I'm gonna go up here and I'm gonna make my chicken and dumplings. My dumplings. And hey, I make it the easy way. I'm using Bisquick and milk for chicken and dumplings. You can use self-rising flour, and it always turns out the same way, so I'm going for the easy way. And you'll see my chicken and dumplings are very light and very fluffy. They're not noodles or chewy. This is a very light recipe. This is just Bisquick. It's three cups of Bisquick and a cup of water, a cup of milk and water. I do love to cook with Bisquick because it's always perfect when you go to mix things up. Check my broth. It's cooking. It's getting real creamy. So it's just the right consistency now. Okay. I've got to let my broth come to a good boil here. If you ever make a chicken and dumplings, don't have a cream of chicken soup, I love to use cream of celery soup. Oh, that is good. It just gives it that good celery flavor. which I do love. Okay. Now, we're going to start dropping the dumplings in. I usually use some little ones. About that size. It's a good way to do it. I hope you make chicken and dumplings at home as much as I do. It's one of the things that my grandchildren and my children ask for around the house. And I love cooking it because it's so easy. You have to get them back up to a good boil before you put the top on. And while that's doing that, I'll be doing the chicken. I just used 2 chicken breasts, and that's plenty of chicken. Look at the big breast and everything. You can't beat that. But I will tell you, if you ever want to do a quick meal, go to one of the stores and get the rotisserie chicken, break it off, put cream of chicken soup, and just go from there, and it's just wonderful. It's very good. Okay, that's going good. We'll drop the chicken in now. I just break it up. Now I've got to turn the eyes down to about medium. Some salt in it. That salt thing's not working. That's okay, I'll get it in a minute. Now here's the trick to dumplings. When you put the lid on, you don't take that lid off for 18 minutes. When it goes on, it's not to be touched. So, our chicken and dumplings are going. We got 18 minutes, and we'll see you in about 18 minutes. Time to take the dumplings off. And we'll put some peas on the eye while I'm at it. There you go. Look at them. Look how fluffy they are. They don't stick. I just want to break one in two and show it to you. Look. Perfect. I'm going to try it, but I'm going to burn my mouth at the same time. Oh, I don't know. There's a few things that get hotter than anything else, and I think chicken and dumplings are one of those things. They can't get any better, and that's the truth. And I'm glad I didn't put salt in it because it's salty enough. Well, while while I serve the chicken and dumplings, I'm fixing a few peas. I love peas, and it just seems like they go with gravy and dumplings. Well, and I hope you enjoyed the show too. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you soon. Remember the joy.